How much should you spend on a high-pressure shower head? Because honestly, you can get one for $18 or drop nearly $50, and both promise the same thing. But here's what most people don't realize. Price doesn't always mean pressure. Some cheap ones feel amazing, while expensive ones leave you disappointed. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works.
Product number 1. Bozibo Dual Rain and Handheld. The Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head, a dual system combo with a massive 12-inch square rainfall head and a detachable handheld unit. At $47.46, it's the priciest on this list, but it stands out with its magnetic docking system and 278 spray nozzles. If you want full body coverage and the flexibility of both fixed and handheld modes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That large square head really does cover your shoulders and back evenly. No more turning in circles to get wet. The magnetic dock holds the handheld firmly, even when wet, which is a nice upgrade over flimsy clips. Plus, it includes 10 spray settings on the handheld, including 2 dedicated power jets for cleaning pets or scrubbing the tub. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who want spa-like pressure without renovating their bathroom. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit cheap for the price. Here's the thing though, it's still durable ABS plastic, and unless you're dropping it daily, it holds up fine. The real issue is that in homes with very low water pressure, even this shower head struggles, unless you remove the flow restrictor. But if your plumbing's decent, you'll feel that rainforest experience they advertise. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious dual-mode setup and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have extremely low pressure. Still, for the features and coverage, it's solid value. Product number 2. AquaCare 8-Mode Handheld. The AquaCare High Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Shower Head at $31.99. Half the price of the Bozibo, but packed with smart engineering. What caught my eye was the built-in power wash mode and anti-clog nozzles designed in the USA. If you want serious pressure plus cleaning power without breaking the bank, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-zone power head uses self-cleaning nozzles that resist grind buildup, so you won't lose pressure over time like with cheaper models. But the real game changer is the flip to clean feature. Turn the handle and it becomes a high-pressure sprayer for tubs, tiles, or pets. That 6-foot stainless steel hose gives you reach, and the dual brackets let you mount it overhead or low for kids or seniors. With 1.8 GPM flow, it balances pressure and efficiency. Now, some people complain the handheld head feels a bit lightweight and plasticky. Here's the thing though, it's designed for function, not luxury. It gets the job done, and the included adhesive wall mount isn't the strongest, so you might want to screw it in. But for under $35, you're getting patented cleaning tech most brands don't offer. This is perfect for you if you want multi-use functionality, great for families, pet owners, or anyone tired of scrubbing soap scum. Skip this one if you only want a fixed rain shower and never use handheld. For the versatility, it's an incredible deal.
Product number 3. Bisaqua 10-Function Combo. If the AquaCare's limited mounting options bothered you, the Bisaqua 10-Function Shower Head at $29.95 offers even more spray variety and a sturdier bracket. It's rectangular, made with metal and plastic, and includes a pause mode, something rare at this price. If you want maximum control over your spray and hate wasting water while lathering up, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The air intake boosts pressure even in low-flow homes by mixing air into the stream, so you feel stronger spray without increasing water use. The 10 functions include 2 power wash modes, one for blasting grime, one for wide rinsing, plus a true pause button that cuts flow instantly. That's huge if you shave or shampoo and don't want cold water shock when you turn it back on. The 6-foot leak-proof hose uses a double buckle design, so it won't kink or burst under pressure. Now, some people complained the rectangular head feels awkward compared to round ones. Here's the thing though, it's about personal preference. The shape actually helps direct water better for targeted massage. Installation is tool-free and takes under 5 minutes, which is a win. This is perfect for you if you want tons of spray options and eco-friendly features like pause mode. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional round head or don't need that many settings. At under $30, it's one of the best value for money picks here.
Product number 4, JDO 6-Setting Budget Pick. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you're watching every dollar. The JDO 6-Setting Shower Head at just $17.95. Don't let the price fool you. It uses air induction tech to boost pressure and comes with a 59-inch stainless steel hose. If you want strong spray without spending much, this is the bargain king. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even at low pressure, the infused air creates a fuller, more powerful stream, so you're not just getting trickle. The 6 settings cover basics like rain, mist, massage, and a water-saving pause mode. The 360-degree adjustable bracket with brass swivel joint means no rust or stiffness over time. And with 54 anti-clog nozzles, you won't be picking at mineral buildup every week. Now, some people complain the plastic feels flimsy and the head is smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, it's 4.7 inches, which is standard for handhelds, and the ABS material is actually rust-proof and lightweight. It won't feel premium, but it works reliably. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or renting and can't make permanent changes. Skip this one if you want a large rainfall head or plan to use it heavily long-term. For under $20, it's shockingly good.
Product number 5. SparkPod Luxury Rain Head. The SparkPod 6-inch rain shower head at $36.99. A sleek, minimalist fixed head with easy clean nozzles and a polished chrome finish. If you want a clean, modern look with consistent high-pressure rainflow and no handheld clutter, this is your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 90 rubber jets are designed to prevent limescale buildup, so pressure stays strong over time. At 1.8 GPM, it's efficient, but still feels powerful thanks to the wide 6-inch spread. Installation takes under a minute, just hand tighten it onto your existing arm. No tools, no plumber. And it includes extra Teflon tape and a filter, which shows they thought about real-world use. Now, some people complained it doesn't include a handheld or hose, so you lose flexibility. Here's the thing though, if you already have a handheld or just want a pure rain experience, that's not a flaw, it's a design choice. And honestly, adding a separate handheld would raise the price. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, elegant upgrade with reliable pressure. Skip this one if you need handheld functionality or have very low water pressure. For a premium feel at a mid-range price, it's a great balance.
So, which one should you pick? If you want luxury and dual modes, go BOZYBO. Need cleaning power and versatility? AquaCare's your guy. Want max features under $30? Bissaquo delivers. On a tight budget? Jado punches way above its weight. And if you just want a clean, high-pressure rain head, SparkPod nails it. All 5 work, but only one fits your shower, your wallet, and your water pressure. Pick wisely.